Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can make any slow motion video in Infinix smartphone and how you can just capture it. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it first and like our video for more videos. So let's get started. First go to your camera option, camera app, and there you see if you are not have not finding the slow motion, just swipe up and you can see more option, and in some devices you can see more option. Here just simply swipe up and you can see in last corner there is a slow motion. You can just select it and then you have to just uh, make a shot like press this button and make like this, and now it is saving. You can see the saved one. It is in very slow motion. You can select the timer also. It is in very slow. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video for more videos. Thanks for watching.